I trust vaccines, I trust scientists, but I don't trust Donald Trump.
We fought against lies, corruption and deceit. Honesty wins.
Are we at a moment of crisis of democracy and trust in politics? Yes, we are. Although it's getting harder and harder to talk about a crisis because a crisis is supposed to be an acute moment. The crisis moments are becoming more frequent.
Trust goes to the centre of all politics. Declines in trust get to the heart of the question of whether democratic politics is sustainable, about why different countries have different sorts of regime. Is the sort of liberal democracy that we have in the United Kingdom sustainable? Where might the challenges come from? And so trust for me gives us many of the answers, or at least many of the warning signs about how politics might change and might be changing.